In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide and lock layers in Draw.io for a cleaner, safer diagramming workflow. First, open Draw.io in your browser and load the diagram you want to work on. If you're starting fresh, create a new blank diagram and give it a quick save so your changes are tracked. Layers in Draw.io let you separate parts of a drawing like backgrounds, annotations, or connectors, so you can focus on what matters without accidentally moving something you shouldn't. Think of layers as transparent sheets stacked on top of each other. Next, open the Layers panel. The fastest way is to press Ctrl plus Shift plus L on your keyboard. On a Mac, that's Command plus Shift plus L. If the panel doesn't appear, make sure your Draw.io window is active and try again. You'll see a list of your layers, and the currently active layer will be highlighted. This panel is your control center for what you see and what you can edit. To temporarily get something out of the way, click the eye icon next to a layer to hide it. When the eye is off, everything on that layer disappears from view and won't be selectable, printed, or exported. Click the eye again to bring it back. This is perfect for decluttering while you align elements, troubleshoot connections, or prepare a clean export without guides or notes. If something seems missing, check whether its layer is simply hidden. To protect parts of your diagram from accidental changes, use the lock icon. Click the lock next to a layer to prevent selecting, moving, or editing anything on it. You can still toggle visibility, but the content stays frozen in place. This is especially useful for backgrounds, grids, or finalized sections. If you find you can't select an object you expect to edit, look for the lock. Unlock the layer to make adjustments, then lock it again when you're done. A quick tip: when you add new shapes, they go onto the active layer. If that layer is hidden or locked, new items might seem to vanish or refuse to move. Simply switch to the correct layer, unhide or unlock it, and continue working. Also, remember that you can combine both tools: hide layers you don't need in the moment and lock layers you want visible but untouchable. And that's it. Open the Layers panel with Ctrl plus Shift plus L, use the eye to show or hide, and the lock to secure or release. With these controls, you'll keep your diagrams organized, focused, and mistake-free. Thanks for watching, and happy diagramming.